Bangus na naman. Kakasawa ba yung bangus? Kaya today, gagawa tayo ng bangus 3 different ways. Let's start cooking. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko of all is the simplest. Bubusugin natin yung ating bangus, sili, and luya, season with salt and pepper. Ang ating bangus din, isi-season din natin with salt and pepper. Hindi pwedeng walang salt and pepper. Lalagyan ko din siya ng konting calamansi for flavor. Yan. Ito, ipa-boneless mo na sa inyong suki, ha? And butter. A little bit of butter. And we will wrap. Wrap it like a candy. Yan. Grill natin siya very simply. So, yung steam niya, matatrap sa loob ng ating foil. Pangalawa, eto naman, baked cheesy bangus. Eto, halos pareho lang yung ingredients natin. No? Dagdagan ko lang siya ng konting tomatoes pa, onions, soy sauce, and calamansi. And eto, kanina butter. Ngayon naman ay mayonnaise. May mayonnaise. Trust me. Of course, dapat you have to grease your pan. Ito naman i-bake natin para hindi dumikit yung ating bangus. Ayan. Bangus, seasoned with salt. Dapat may timpla yung ating fish and ating topping. Ito, melting cheese and bake in the oven. Ito, bake natin 200 degrees and we will bake. Depende sa size ng inyong bangus. Kung maliit yung bangus mo, mga 20 to 25 minutes. Kung malaki yung bangus mo, pwede umabot ng mga 30 to 35 minutes. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. Masarap din to. Ang ating bangus na fried with garlic butter. Yan. So, season with salt and pepper. And ito, we will dredge in cornstarch. Dapat gentle, don't drop it as much as possible. And away from you, palayo. No? Hindi yung palapit sa'yo, palayo. So, kung tatalsik, dun siya sa malayo. Babalik na rin na natin. Ito, malapit na rin maluto. Dapat ikot-ikutin mo siya. And luto na yung ating unang bangus. Put it aside. Yan. Ito yung una, gagawa natin siya ng special sauce. Yan. So, ito, butter. Lagay ko ng minced onions. And gagawin natin konting anghang, ha. Soy sauce. Sugar. And ito siya, calamansi or lemon juice. Black pepper. Let it cook for a minute or so. We will pour it over our bangus. Bakit wala siyang bawang? Kasi nagpa-friton ako ng maraming bawang. And we will top it with our super dami na bawang. And ating second recipe, I so love this. Look at that. Konting spring onions. Ating pinaputok na bangus. Of course, perfect with sausawan. And finally, ating contestant number 3, si bangus with cheese. Ayan. Ang sarap. Look at that. Melted na yung cheese natin, no? Ating bangus number 3. Oh, may sauce pa siya, oh. Oh my God. Look at that. Ang ating bangus ala pobre. Ating pinaputok na bangus with butter. And of course, our baked cheesy bangus. Our bangus 3 ways. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!